Good morning, everyone. Thanks for joining me in this video. This is Tuesday, the 13th day of January 2026. All right, the people you are seeing right now that are moving in drove are from Esan local government area of Sokoto State. And the name of this community is Tidibande, Tidibale, Tidibande. So, this village have been given notice. There is a raid that is currently ongoing in this village. Now, a lot of people have been, alerted that this is going on, but they don't know why this is going on. And that is the purpose why I'm doing this video. Because they just saw people from one community to the another leaving. Why are they leaving? Why are they chasing them out? Like, what do they want these people to do? Now, this is it. After the United States of America struck terror targets in Sokoto State, there is no doubt that a lot of them flee. So some of them left Nigeria to neighboring Niger. Some of them, moved to some terror targets in the Sahel, close to, the Burkina Faso, Mali, all those, I call it caliphate, all those their place. So right now, what is going on is that these people want to start the full annexation of the Sokoto side, and Nigeria is their target. But this is what is going to happen. They are coming back, according to a very reliable security sources, who have been, it's a source, not sources anyway, who have been monitoring the movement of these terrorists, okay? And this is also the same source who also leaked the secret when these people enter from Niger State. I told you people when 1,000 terrorists entered from Niger State about 7 months ago. These people moved from Niger State to Kogi State. They entered Kogi State before police alerted people that, uncountable numbers of people, unspecified number of people, terrorists who are in Kogi State, that they are going to start committing atrocities and so on and so forth. So this reliable source is also letting us to understand that, look at, these people want to start the annexation of Nigeria in full force. And they will start driving people. And this Tidibande village, that is the dominant village that these people are going to stay. Like, that is where they want to have their domain. They want to come and live like ordinary people. You won't know that these people are terrorists, okay? You won't know. So they are actually coming to Nigeria. If maybe they have arrived, okay? Maybe they have arrived. So Bendo 2G is a tool of of this course that is going on in Nigeria. So Bendo 2G have to give these people evacuate, like, you people should leave this community. They started raiding yesterday. And all these things that is going on, so many people who are in the security circle in Nigeria, they are aware of this. So it is not something that people will come out and say, no, what is going on? How do we do? They know exactly what is going on, okay? They know exactly what is going on. Now, remember that Lakurawa terrorist was invited by the Nigerian government. And when this Lakurawa terrorist came, I told you people, we did investigation because I heard former CDS, which is now Honorable Minister of Defense, saying that when Lakurawa terrorists came to Nigeria, that they were friends. I want you people to think. When Lakurawa terrorists came to Nigeria, they were friends. CDS Musa made a statement on Chinese television, the video is still there, that they were not violent. So that prompted me to start investigation, like, they were not violent. So why do they come? Like, terrorists came to country and they were not violent. I discovered that Nigerian government invited them to start teaching these people Sharia, the dictates of Sharia, what to eat, what not to eat, what to drink, what not to drink, how to dress, and how not to dress. Now, I want to tell you, there is something that is simultaneously going on in Nigeria. After ISWAP said that they will kill Christians, look at the Islamic police called Hizbah in Yobe State. That will be my next video. I'm going to bring that for you. They have passed a law now in Yobe State. A man and a woman don't have right to sit in the bus again. If they see you, they will behead you. In Nigeria, you are a man or a woman. Either you are a Christian, you are a Jew. You don't have right now to sit with a woman in the same bus. I told you people all these things. A lot of people think that this is a joke. This is simultaneously going. The graph is simultaneously going. So as this thing is happening, look at what is going on everywhere. And the annexation begins. About 2,000 or thereabout terrorists now is about to enter into Sokoto State, or they have already arrived, chasing people out of the state. So, where are you people going to go? Oh, a lot of people will now be saying it is Sokoto State. It's not in Delta. It's not in Edo State. It's not in Bayelsa. It's not in... If only you know that these people are strategic and they are not in haste, you will cry. Like, these people are not in haste. They are strategic and patient. You will die. Your future generation, they will start from there. little children who are coming up, they will still inculcate this thing to them. So anybody who is telling you that this is a joke, the person is a joke. Okay? The person is a joke and the person doesn't. Now, for you to know that I don't know whether I am the one that is not thinking right, how can in a so-called secular state, a pseudo state like Nigeria, a government pass a law, another government inside a government pass a law, that men and women, male and female, should not board the same bus? In Nigeria, more than 160 million Christians are there. The Jews are there. The African traditional religious worshippers are there. And these people are just trying to, handcuff everybody and put everybody into slavery. No, it's not going to work. And that is where the concept of partitioning comes in. I personally don't believe that this Nigeria will work. Yes, let's be playing the politics, deceiving ourselves. No problem. We'll play it, right? But the truth here is this. If we continue like this, we'll not have a place to call our home. Look at what happened to Egypt. Egypt was a Christian country. Look at what happened to Lebanon, Iran, Afghanistan, Iraq. All these people, Algeria, Morocco, you see, they were not Islamic countries before. So I don't believe that killing people because of their religion, wiping them out because of their religion is something that is, sustainable. I don't believe that. I know that so many people from across the Niger, they are ready to shout Allahu Akbar just to save their life. But I'm not that kind of person. And I believe that there are so many people who are in Nigeria who will not bow to these people. Listen, no matter what you people think, Batakpata and a civil war, another war will start again. I know that what is going on now is war, but the government don't have capacity to solve it. And that is why everybody have been calling on US to do this. But people who do not understand because of their business interests are there talking rubbish. Now, I understand that America is now preoccupied with the issue in Iran and the issue of Venezuela. That one is forgone. They are now focusing on the issue of Iran. I know they are coming to the issue of Nigeria, definitely. But before then, all I do is to sensitize people and tell people actually what is ahead of them.
What is that? We are together. Good night. Ban yarga amma na zo yanzu karshe sai na yarga shi. Baya? Ai baran kara baya. Masar ya wuce? Bisa mashin yake. Ya wuce ina ganin.
Because generally no one is safe anymore in that country called Nigeria, whatever. Nobody is safe there anymore. What one of the most scaring thing to me, like one of the previous persons who speak earlier before the spiritual man came in, the brother really made a lot of good points. Share his passion, I share his view to be on a safe environment to secure our life and properties and live our normal life without any fear of anymore, like we normally used to do. Because I can't imagine anyone traveling by night now from Lagos to East again because of the situation we find ourselves. And this is something we normally enjoy. Some years back, suddenly we are all being scared, behaving like strangers in our own father's land, as if say when you are moving around, you are even afraid of your own siblings, directly or indirectly. Because
that
of
is
what
true. You just reminded me of something. I was working with these people doing power line in Ekpa in Lagos State, and that day they called me that I should come back to Delta State because we are going to participate in the training of people who are going to conduct election, like INEC ad hoc staffs. So after the work that already, they have to go and stand along the road just to wait for big buses that are going to Delta State or the Southeast. I boarded the bus. Like, if it is now, I can't do that.
Yeah, and
I can't do that now.
Those days we do it deliberately as a fun, just to catch fun. You know, you buy relax. Maybe you have 1 or 2, 3 more friends with you in the bus. You'll be making noise until you get to Onitsha. You know, no, without. I wish I've traveled through that system many times. Those.
All right, so because of time, just summarize
what I'm talking. So what I'm generally saying is that our politicians are not helping us. They have never ever helped us for once, and they are not even willing to help us even now. You know, considering the fact that Obi our brother Peter Obi keep on being this our major distractors, and all this confusion.
Well, for me, that is what everybody. You know, I don't like interfering with what people believe, because they themselves may be looking at you. Like them, we'll be looking at you as a distractor as well.
Yeah, excuse me. So what is the fact here is that like somebody was saying something about spiritualism here. I want to equally make it known to us that we are not talking about religious war here. We are talking about our life. We are talking about our right to be alive before being spiritual. It's only believing we go to church and pray and God will answer. God will no dead man go to church and pray. No dead person practice spiritualism. So all these men we are talking, maybe is the conflict. We are here dragging conflict of interest. Is there something like conflict of interest? Nigeria has never been one, and it will never be one. And there's no pattern. The pattern they're even following is even making things even worse. Now we are through that spiritualism now. America decided to divinely intervene. Israel is equally showing interest to intervene. Whatever may be their interest for intervening, whether to prevent another terror camp like what led to 9/11 in the past, who wouldn't be okay by that? It was what happened in 9/11 a good thing? People lost their life. You know, if those souls were to be alive today, wouldn't the world be a much more better place? You know. So what are we talking about? Sometimes all these political pay agents will come here and start even helping all these politicians helping to hype up these people who are setting us backward. You're telling me what haven't they got? They are not. They have the whole security. Let me tell you something. They have captured us for very long time ago. We are people. We are now. We should now be praying for rescue. It's just like somebody who is in a kidnapping den. Calling his people to please. They say make you bring in, like the other young man they wasted few weeks ago who come from Ekiti axis, you know. So therefore, how can we be seeing all those things and still believing that this is a place to be proud of, a country to be proud of? Please let us be factual. Let us be honest for ourselves. Let us stop lying to ourselves like many of us are spoken here. What's everything that Nnamdi Kanu was talking about is all about how to, you know, save his people